Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Today we'll see one problem on NPV. Only one problem I'm working out, but please focus seriously. If you wanted to calculate IRR, next method, internal rate of return, NPV is must. Unless you have good knowledge, good command over NPV, net present value, you can't go for IRR. That is why please focus seriously. And of course, NPV, IRR, both are very important for capital budgeting preparation point of view. Okay, so that is why please focus. Introduction already I gave you in the last class, NPV. Okay, today we'll see only one problem. So focus 5 minutes, you will understand everything. Now what is the problem? Calculate NPV for the given projects and comment on the results. Project cost is 200 rupees. Okay, 200 crores or 200 lakhs, whatever what you can assume it, 200 it is. Calculate NPV for the projects, two projects are given. Okay, and comment on the result also. I already told you in the last class how to accept the NPV. Always it must be positive value. Positive means accept it, negative means reject it. But we have two projects, okay. Now the project cost is 200 they wanted to invest. The company anticipates the cost of capital of 12%, discounting of cost of capital, present value, that is 12%. Present table we are going to see the 12% only. Okay. Now what is given to us? Year. How many years are there? 5 years. Cost of the project is 200. Cash inflows of project A, project B. For project A it is 35, 80, 90, 75, 20. For project B 18, 10, 10, 40, 35. Okay. So this is given to us. What we have to do? NPV we have to calculate for project A and project B separately. Okay. Now for NPV for project A. So I have written a heading, calculation of NPV for project A. We are writing year and cash inflows. This column, cash inflow after tax, CFAT, cash inflow after tax, CFAT. Okay, and next column is PV factor at the rate of 12%. PV means present value factor at the rate of 12%, and PV of present value of CFAT into this multiplication. Only 4 columns are there. These 2 columns already given. What we are going to calculate? First PV factor, then after that multiply with CFAT with the PV factor. So these are the columns for calculation of NPV for project A. In the same way for project B also. Year, CFAT, PV factor at the rate of 12% and PV of CFAT. So we'll go for calculation. First what is given to us? Year is already I have written. Now cash inflows. Cash inflows are 35, 80, I'll write it. 35, 80, 90, 75 and 20. Now PV factor at the rate of 12%. I already told you need not to see the present value tables, not required. Simply you can calculate it. What is the formula? 1 by 1 plus R. Here 1 by 1 plus R is here 12%. 12%. It means 1 by 1 plus 0.12 this is. It means 1 by 1.12. This is you have to calculate. Then you will get present value. This calculation also I already told you. 1 by 1 plus R. R means rate of interest. It is 12%, not 12 by 100. So if you do the calculation, I am getting 1 by 1.12. 1 divided by 1.12. I am getting 0.8928 means 0.893 I can take. 0.893. Okay, can you see? When I press is equal to second year value, I'll get second year value 0.797. 0.797. Once again pressing is equal to 0.7112 means 1 2 we can write. Once again press is equal to how many times you want every year. If you keep on pressing is equal to, you'll be getting the present value table. So this is 0.6355 means 6 I can take 636. Once again is equal to 0.567. Like PV factor we got it. Now what we have to do, multiply CFAT into PV factor, that is equal, that will be PV of CFAT, present value of CFAT. Okay, we'll multiply 35 into 0.893 comes to 31.255. In the same way, I'm keeping this on memory. 80 into 0.797. So this is 63.76. Next 90 into 0.712. 64.08. Next 75 multiplied with 0.636. 47.7. Next 20 into 0.567. 11.34. Total I am getting 218.315. 218.135. This is the total. So this you got it. Now how to calculate the NPV? There is a formula, simple formula, remember. NPV is equal to cash outflow minus, sorry, cash this is PV factor cash inflow. Cash inflow of present value minus cash outflow. Remember this formula. NPV is equal to cash inflow of present value, means this total. Cash inflow of present value minus cash outflow. What is this value? 218. 218.135 minus cash outflow. Outflow is how much you are spending. 200 you are spending na? Your investment, that is cash outflow. So minus 200, it comes to 18.135. So this is NPV of project A. Clear? Next, in the same passion for project B also. If you understood this, pause the video and work out this one. Pause the video and later you can check it out with my answer. Now let me calculate this one also. So same 5 years. 1 2 3 4 5. Cash inflow is 18, 10 10 40, 10 10 40 and 35. PV factor is how much? Same 12%. Already I have calculated same amount, same figures. I'll write it here because already we have done. If it is some other percentage, then I would have calculated once again. Suppose a 10% means 10 by 100. Once again I need to. Right now 12% only. Same amount I am writing here. 0.797, 0.712, 0.636, 0.567. Same as it is. Already we have calculated. Now what we need to do? Multiply these two. Multiplication 18 into 0.893. 16.074. Next, 10 into 0.797, 7.97. This one, next one is 7.12. Na, I'll write it directly. 7.12. 7.12. I'll just add it. Next to 40 into 0.636. 25.44. Last one, 35 into 0.567. 19.845. So total up, we are getting 76.449 means 45. 76.449. Okay, let it be as it is. PV factor of cash inflow after tax. This you got it. Now next, NPV. Same formula you have to write. NPV is equal to, I need not to write the formula, already I have written, but in exam or in your notes you have to write it once again, the formula. Then after that, as per the formula, what is needed? This one, PV factor present value, that is cash inflow present value is 76.449 minus cost, project cost, cash outflow 200. 76.449 minus 200, the value you are going to get minus value. Okay, 200 minus 76.449 is coming to 123.55. This is minus 123.55. And this is the NPV of the project B. Am I clear? Now they are asking us comment on the result. NPV of project A, project B, both we have prepared. Now what do you want to comment? Which one do you want to recommend? The higher NPV, the more recommended. You know is okay. Simply we'll write one sentence here. Project A is recommended as its NPV is higher than project B. That is what you have to write. Where should I write? Can you see downside? Let me check it out the camera. Yes, last line. Project A is recommended as its NPV, net present value, is higher than project B. So this is the lastly how to write the comment. Hope it is clear. Take a screenshot. If you are perfect, let me know in the comment box, and take out your textbook, work out as much problems, as many as possible, because the more you work out, you'll find that perfection, you'll find that confidence. Okay, NPV, work out many problems. I am doing only one problem, but because one problem is more than enough, because in one problem 2 projects we have done. At the most percentage will be differing. 12% may comes to 8%, 10%, 11%, 15%, whatever it may be, but method is same. Next class we'll see IRR, very important, but if you are perfect then only we'll go for IRR. So stay connected, check out the playlist. There are many subjects already prepared. If it is useful for your syllabus, please use it, and don't forget to forward these videos. Everything is free of cost for you all. Utilize these videos and have a bright career. Stay connected. Good luck.